Look at this mess. You know, it's laundry room, so it doesn't really matter that much, right? When I try to find something, I come in here thinking it's going to be here, and I just look at these shelves. It's just overwhelming, and I can't do it, and I just give up and I walk away. So I am going to get organized. Okay, so you got to see those shelves in my laundry room, which are a disaster. So to fix that problem, I purchased these storage bins. To assemble them, it's very simple. You just open it up, and then you would put out this in there, place it in there, and that's it. Done. It's 18.9 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 7.9 inches high, which is a pretty generous amount of space. They're made of cationic fabric. It's known for being durable and resistant to wear and tear, so who doesn't want that, right? So they're not just for a laundry room or a garage. The design is simple and neutral, which means they'll look good in whatever room decor you've got going on, so they'll just complement your space and keep it organized. Disassemble is just as easy as putting it together. Move this, hold it up, just make sure that the fabric is, you know, pushed out in the back there, and then it's just, you just put it together like that. There you go. Nice and flat. Here's the aftershot. These utility shelves we also got at Amazon so many years ago, and they have held up beautifully. There is nothing wrong with these shelves. I highly recommend the shelves. And the storage bins, of course. So I just put everything into the bins that I never use. If I need to find something, I can just pull it out, put it down on the floor and go through it and put it back. So much easier than just trying to, you know, reach over stuff. And then I just have everything that I use all the time right there, not inside the storage bin, so easy access. I love these storage bins, and I think I need to get more because I could put some more stuff away too.